speed in this very 55 Chevy you see on the left-hand side. He raced this car right here at Byron Dragway back in the 1960s, so it is only fitting that he and the car return to glory days in 2022. From Janesville, Wisconsin, and only 79 years young, that is Steve Kuhn in the Assassin 55 Chevy. Paired up with a car that was actually a part of our trivia fun earlier today. That is Ronnie Green on the right-hand side, a 55 Almquist Sabre with the blown supercharged small block Chevy in the right-hand lane. From Janesville, Wisconsin, Ronnie Green, right-hand lane. Sabre of Ronnie Green goes 10.09, 143 miles per hour. Looked like Steve Kuhn's 55 Chevy lost fire. He had to crank it back over, restart the engine, and he'll take it on down at a 1484 last time at 91 miles per hour. Tony Zampetta, a 1941 Willys Coupe. Supercharged from Chevy 540. The right-hand side, he is paired up with Ronnie Green, the 55 Almquist Sabre. Well, Ronnie Green has got that Almquist hooked up and following the mail at the finish line. He'll go 9:38, 142 miles per hour from Almquist to the left-hand side.